Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a quick update on my hair keratin treatment. I think it's been almost 6 months, 5 to 6 months, I don't know exactly. I'm going to show you in a minute how my hair looks like. I just took a shower and my hair is wet. I don't like to use towels, I use t-shirts, tops, whatever. So I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks like after 5-6 months of doing that keratin treatment. I'm going to blow dry my hair because that's what I did in that video, and also I have to dry out my hair, you know. I did got a few questions about this keratin treatment, like if it smells bad, if the smell will last in your hair for a long time. And actually yes, it does has a very specific scent. I don't know, I can't put my finger on it, and actually it does last a little bit, like up to 4 or 5 washes maybe, but it only smells when the hair gets wet. It didn't bother me, but if you are sensitive to smells, it will probably bother you. So yeah, you have to keep that in mind. And also I got this question a lot, if this treatment damages your hair. I don't have the answer because I'm not a hair professional, stylist, whatever. I'm not, I don't know, but assuming on the amount of heat you put when you do the treatment, I guess it will damage a little bit the hair. Not crazy damaged, because honestly my hair feels so nice still, so soft and so silky. So yeah, I don't know about the damage level, but it probably damages the hair because, as I said, the amount of heat you put when you do the treatment. So that's that. I'm going to blow dry my hair very quick. I have here my handy dandy hair dryer, and I guess that's it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I don't know, I'm going to quickly blow dry my hair and hopefully I will remember what I wanted to say, because I know I wanted to say something else. Alright, so this is how my hair looks like when it's dry. I have to say that it's still pretty much frizz-free. Like, I kind of see it now peeking through, but it looks hella good comparing to how it looked in that video, you know, like when I blow dried my hair after I did the pre-treatment shampoo. If I can, I will insert the clip right here so you can see the difference. So yeah, this is how my hair looks like after 5-6-ish kinda months of doing that treatment. I did got a little trim, but that has nothing to do with the treatment. I do see some waves peeking through, especially here in the back. I don't know if you can see that because my hair is black and I don't know, but I do see some little waves peeking through. Oh yeah, you can see them. Not as many though, but yeah, I do see some waves peeking through. As I said, it's pretty much frizz-free still, and I love that. I will probably redo this hair treatment, I don't know, by the end of October, because I want to have my hair very straight for the, you know, Christmas and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going to zoom you a little bit in because I do see some waves right here at the top. Nothing crazy. To me, it still looks pretty good. It feels so soft, and oh yeah, you can see the waves. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm super happy. As I said, depending on your hair texture, this treatment can last a little bit longer or less. If you have very thick, coarse hair, I don't know if that's the word, but if you have like thick hair, probably this treatment, it will last a little less than it lasted on me. I don't know how to show you, but I have like this much hair. As you can see, I'm so glad that you guys find this video helpful. It got 16k views. I'm so grateful. Yeah, let me see the questions. Does the hair goes back to its natural shape or will be damaged after I apply the treatment? As I said, I don't know exactly how much damage this hair keratin will do to your hair. I'm assuming it's not that high, like the level of the damage is not that high. And yes, the hair will go back to its natural shape after the treatment is out. It's good for natural hair, colored hair. I don't quite understand the question here, but yeah, you can do it on colored hair, on natural hair, you can do it. What kind of straightener you use? I have the GHD Gold edition. It's so good, but kind of expensive. That kind of hurt. It's good for bleached hair and how long it lasts. I'm assuming you didn't watch the video, so I suggest you to do so because you'll find the answers in that video. How long did you wait before washing it again? I saw somewhere you should wait 3 days, but it doesn't mention it in the booklet. So yeah, usually if you get this type of treatment at the hair salon, they recommend you to not touch your hair for at least 3 days, 4 days. But this is, I'm assuming, I don't know exactly, this is a different type of keratin treatment because it doesn't says anything about that on the box, in the instructions. So yeah, you don't have to wait 3 days until washing your hair again, because I'm assuming you'll have the exact same results. I think the keratin treatment you get at the hair salon is a different type of keratin. I don't know, don't quote me on that. Do some research. I have no idea. Is the product enough for long hair? I will say yes, but yeah, depending on how long your hair is. If you have long hair like Rapunzel, I mean, you need to get 2 boxes. But I got left with this amount of product and I had to throw it away because it will go bad in time. It says on the box, it's not just me saying this, but it says on the box, on the instructions, do not save the leftover keratin treatment. You can save the shampoo and conditioner, but do not save the keratin treatment because it will go bad and I don't recommend you to put that back in your hair after like, I don't know, 6 months. Don't do it. It's like 13 euros a box. So, you know, don't do it. Can you explain to me how you physically straighten the hair? Like, do you go down or do you curve in? Or, I mean, I just go like this. Straight. You don't curve in, out, whatever. Just like how you normally straighten your hair. I don't know how to explain this. Can you still achieve a good curly or wavy hair look even after a keratin treatment? Actually, yes, you saw me in my previous videos. I do curl my hair when I feel like so. That doesn't affect your hair, like, or the hair keratin. No. You can do whatever you want with your hair after doing this treatment. The main reason or the main goal of doing this treatment is to get that frizz-free hair. So yeah, you can wave it, you can curl it, you can cramp it, do whatever, girl. It's your hair. So I guess that's it for this update. I don't have anything else to say other than I'm super happy with the result, and as I said, I will probably redo this treatment in like a month or so. I'm going to show you how it looks in the back, but I am super happy, like super happy. So these are my waves. As you can see, they are mostly in the back under the main whatever. But yeah, as I said in that video, I wish I had done a better job in the back because I already knew since then that I didn't do a better job. Like, I should had put a little bit more effort right here in the back. So yeah, get a friend or family member, whatever, to help you because you will save a lot of time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have more questions, please let them down below. And that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.